President Trump's turn in his impeachment trial. After listening to the Democrats make their case over 3 days about why the president should be removed from office, his legal team will get their first chance today. They will start to respond to the 2 articles that define the president's impeachment, abuse of power, and obstruction of Congress. And they're expected to address the Democrats' push for witnesses and additional documents. Weijia Jiang is at the White House. Weijia, what are we expecting to hear from the president's team today?
Well, good morning, Dana, and good morning to everybody. The president's legal team will give America a sneak peek of their case before getting into the, quote, nitty-gritty on Monday. They will argue the president did nothing wrong, that this is all a political act, and they will attack Joe and Hunter Biden to make the point that President Trump was justified in calling to investigate them. Now, the White House follows House Democrats who made a passionate plea for more witnesses and evidence, they say, to preserve what this country stands for.
Give America a fair trial. Give America a fair trial. She's worth it.
With that, House Democrats closed their case against President Trump late last night as they seek to remove him from office. Today, the president's legal team will begin laying out his defense, led by White House counsel Pat Cipollone and the president's personal lawyer, Jay Sekulow.
We're going to refute the allegations that they've made, and we're going to put on an affirmative case as well.
This has been a very painful period.
Mr. Trump's attorneys are brushing off a new recording reviewed by ABC News. The president appears to say, quote, get rid of then U.S. ambassador to Ukraine Marie Yovanovitch at a private dinner at the Trump Hotel in April of 2018, a full year before she was removed.
Get rid of her. Hooray. Okay, get her out tomorrow. I don't care. Get her out tomorrow. Take her out. Okay? Excellent. Do it.
ABC reports this recording captures some of the president's party guests, including former White House aide John DeStefano and 2 now indicted associates of Rudy Giuliani, Igor Fruman and Lev Parnas. But Mr. Trump insists he does not know Parnas.
He's a con man. I don't know him.
And late last night, he denied ever talking about firing Yovanovitch at that dinner while defending her removal.
I want ambassadors that are chosen by me. I have a right to hire and fire ambassadors.
On his July 25th phone call with Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky, he called Yovanovitch bad news and said she's going to go through some things. He never explained why.
I was shocked. Absolutely shocked and devastated, frankly.
Democrats are seeking to include more evidence and testimony from key witnesses during the trial. And a new Reuters poll suggests 7 in 10 Americans agree. They also want to hear from witnesses who were blocked from testifying by the White House during the House proceedings. President Trump complained about the timing of his team's opening arguments, describing Saturday as TV's, quote, Death Valley. Well, with no public events on his schedule and weather that is too rainy for golf, guys, I think it's fair to say that the president himself will be upping those ratings. Jeff?
The latest numbers say otherwise, but Weijia and Mr. President, thank you very much.
Congratulations, guys.
Thank you very much, Weijia.